Look at this figure. For the convex mirror, the first case, when the object is at infinity, this means that parallel incident ray will strike. The object is at infinity, parallel incident ray will strike the convex mirror, and after striking the convex mirror they will get diverged, and on producing they will intersect each other at focus. That is why the image is formed behind the mirror and virtual, erect, and extremely diminished. Okay? The infinity position of the object for the convex mirror can be explained like this. In this case, also the object is at infinity. Two parallel incident rays are striking the convex mirror. The image is formed at F and highly diminished behind the mirror. That is why the image will be virtual and erect. Okay? Now see the second position. See this picture. Only this situation are included as the 5 position of the concave mirror. What is the position of the object? Object is between the principal focus and the pole. Not between the principal focus and the pole, between infinity and the pole of the, between infinity and pole. Okay? Infinity and pole means at any measurable distance in front of the convex mirror. So you can say the two reflected rays on producing behind the mirror intersect each other at A dash. That is why A dash B dash is the mirror, is the image. So the position of the image is between the principal focus and the pole. Since the image is formed behind the mirror, that is why the image will be virtual, erect, and as it is very clear from the figure, the image will be diminished. Okay? So you can see the image formed by the convex mirror. Okay?